Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, the one question we're getting a lot of here in our weather department, when does this pattern finally turn the corner and things start to warm up? And the answer is not until next Tuesday. And we're talking about a big turnaround the middle and the end of next week. In the meantime, decorative clouds here. It's both blue skies and dark clouds right now, so varying amounts of both. We'll call it partly cloudy. Down in Narragansett, where we're breezy and cool, temps are in the 50s. Upper 50s in Warwick. We're going to set up for another night where temps drop down into the lower to middle 40s. Clouds and some partial sunshine. Oakland Beach in Warwick. Not as many cars on the rock wall watching the weather right now. So it is kind of cool. Temps are in the low to mid 50s. Doppler radar. Not seeing any precipitation, so obviously heading out this evening, doing some errands and things like that. It'll stay dry. I mean, the closest rain is on the bottom of your TV set, and that's actually sailing off to our south. So we'll keep things cool and dry this evening. We're going to get more of an east-northeasterly wind tomorrow, and that wind direction tends to bring in some cloudiness off the ocean. So we'll bring in some extra clouds again for tomorrow. But otherwise dry. You can see temperatures here in southern New England in the 50s, but again heading down into the 40s overnight. Let me walk you through it hour by hour, starting off this evening at 7 o'clock with temps in the mid to upper 50s, partly cloudy skies, transitioning over into the 40s during the overnight hours. So 7 o'clock in the morning at around 48. Now with that northeast wind, there could be a couple of sprinkles across southeastern Massachusetts tomorrow morning, but as far as any kind of widespread heavy rain, not the case. Better part of the day once again is actually on the dry side. Jump ahead to about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Clouds, but some occasional breaks of sunshine, especially western suburbs. Looking at temperatures that will eventually top out middle to upper 50s. 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, and around this time, extra clouds, cool and dry, unseasonably cool once again. And your Friday evening, Friday night, heading out. Looks okay, just chilly. By 9 o'clock in the evening, it's already down into the upper 40s to around 50. So Futurecast for this evening, again, stays quiet with partly cloudy conditions. 11 o'clock, we're down to 47. Tomorrow morning, waking up to mainly cloudy skies and slight chance of a sprinkle in southeastern Mass. Otherwise, just cool and dry. So it's just kind of a broken record here, just more of the same. And tomorrow afternoon, clouds with occasional sunshine. Temperatures this time of year should be close to 68, 69 degrees. We're still running about 5 degrees below average for tomorrow afternoon. Unfortunately, the forecast has not changed for the weekend. Now, Saturday morning starts off dry. Some light rain showers Saturday afternoon, and then heavy rain and wind Saturday night into very early on Sunday morning for Mother's Day. So it starts off rainy and windy, very rainy at 48. Will dry out a little bit in the afternoon. That doesn't mean that the sun will come out, but the rain should ease up to just some light showers the second half of the day, drier by Sunday evening, but once again these temperatures remaining on the cool side. Not out of the question to get a couple of inches of rain Saturday night into early on Sunday morning. I guess the only upside or consolation to Mother's Day Sunday is at the second half of the day the rain is easing up and it's not quite as heavy. The turnaround begins finally Tuesday of next week, up to 70, and we're close to 80 by Thursday of next week with a mix of clouds and sunshine. So the pattern change essentially begins the middle of next week, so we have a ways to go. So your Mother's Day gift this year must have to be like exponentially larger than normal. I promised her better weather next week. All right, Tony.